Businesses continue with outdated and wasteful processes because it's always been done that way. This causes pain. It means information is difficult to get, informed decisions are impossible to make, and it's hard to get a good night's sleep. Effective Business Process Management, or BPM, solves these problems. It's the art and science of analyzing, measuring, and optimizing every process in your business, which keeps it running smoothly. Some of the earliest BPM software focused on visualizing workflows and executing processes to achieve automation, with the goal of improving efficiency. The truth is, BPM used to be expensive, inflexible, and take a long time to set up, with very limited success. Fortunately, BPM has evolved. An intelligent BPM system creates more value with less waste and less resources, quickly. In practice, this means increased speed and consistency, improved customer experiences, the ability to handle exceptions faster and with less errors, greater transparency and seamless compliance. Using low-code applications, forward-thinking businesses can reduce repetitive tasks, improving processing times and making companies more agile in response to changing environments, quickly and inexpensively. Above all, BPM allows your business and the behavior of your people to evolve faster than your competitors. It guarantees a sustainable, profitable future for your business and a good night's sleep for everyone, from your CEO to your most junior administrator.